afternoon, good evening, everybody from all walks of life. Welcome to our weekly analysis, where we analyze the market for the coming week. What possibly could transpire between now and the coming week? A very, how should I say it? A very warmly welcome to our new subscribers, and thanks to our existing subscriber for liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We always promise not to disappoint you guys, and we grow together with the knowledge of the market. Now, I want this to be a quick one, but before we proceed, we glance through our calendar. What we have, the impact news we have for coming week. So on Monday, we have news, and Tuesday we have high impact news called CPI. On Wednesday we had news. On Thursday, we have news. On Friday we have news as well. So practically throughout this week we'll be having high impact news. So it will be a very lovely and nice week to trade off the moment you know what you're looking for in the market. So before we proceed, let's see some of our prognostication for last week. On dollar index, we called some specific level. Now when we say specific level, it means we are damn sure of the level we are calling. So on dollar index, as of last week, my targets okay, let me and the target was where I wrote next target, that was 104.43, 10.043. Then we mentioned 104.263. Everything has been settled and everything has been explained in the market review which I made on Thursday, right? So the level we were watching for next week has been taken even earlier, and if you can see the level we called, which is go back, which was this level 104.263, has been revisited. Okay, market almost got there. The high of the candle on Friday was 104.261. Can you call that a coincidence? No. The market has nothing to do with guessing. So let's be sure the market took out that level or not. So I this was the highest here. So the eye of the candle comes in at 104.261, which is just 2 pipettes to the level that was mentioned. Oh, so sorry for for the way I sound today. Is I had migraine, so I'm just managing myself. I just have to analyze these things with you guys so that we know what we are. You can know what we are working towards the coming week. So you know what, which way are we likely, or which level are we likely to visit the coming week? Presently, I will wait for the news to tip its hand and give us the hint of where we might be going. But I'm interested in this suspected area. So let's give it digits. So I'm interested in this shaded area here, CB. So I'm interested in the market taking out those highs, those two highs. But before the market will get to the highs, the market has to visit here first. The market has to visit the high that was formed on Thursday. Uh, because there is a buy side here. So those are the buy side we had. So the coming week I'll be interested in the market revisiting 104.263, 104.443, then 104.588. So those are the levels I'm expecting the market to revisit. Now, before we talked about where the market should revisit, we have a sell side here as well. So preferably, I would love the market to give us something to dip into the sell side here. The sell side. The sell side. So I expect the market. I would prefer the market taking this low. Taking this low then spray higher. I'll prefer that to happen because that will give me more confidence to go well with the market. But I'm still bullish on dollar index. Long story short. Then the weekly chart. So we're expecting the market to take out previous week's high. The previous week's high is 104.604. 104.604, which is some pips lower to what we are looking for, which is 104.612. So that is that on dollar index. Let's go to our Euro USD. And Euro USD, we are still bearish. We are still what? We are still bearish. So we'll be looking at what a coincidence here. From the market review I made yesterday, on Thursday, I said I'm still interested in the sell side here. You can see our first target here has been met last week. So we expected the market to give us this level next. But first and foremost, I want the news. I'll work with the news. So to see where the market is interested in going. So now on Euro USD, I said it I think on Thursday that I'm interested in market revisiting the market taking out 1.07873, 1.07873, and you can see the market took that level out handsomely and beautifully. So to be in sync with what we are, with what I'm looking at on dollar index, I expect the market to come down. I am expecting the market to come down. This is 1.07562, then give us 1.0415 again, then 1.07238, then 1.07222. So those are the levels. Those are the levels we are interested in the coming week. These are the levels we are interested in the coming week. This level has been partially given to us, but it has not fully delivered. I mean, this level here, it has been traded to here. This level has been traded to. The moment this first target has been traded to this level as well, you can see, but it reverses from there. So I expected it to give us more. It punctured through it. The level 1.07238, it has been traded to till it got to 1.07222. So we expected the market to continue tipping us. For now, I still have to wait for more insights, but I'm interested in Euro USD coming down. But firstly, I have to wait for the news to show us more. I can bear the news revisiting 1.07873 08016. Yeah, I expected if it reverses, that level is the other block here. So at worst, it should get to this shaded area, then drop. All things being equal, I am still bearish on Euro USD. So with whatever the market is doing, we'll see together. We will have some review on it later as well. Ah. Then on on our cable, GBP USD, we were interested in two levels. We were interested in 1.26139, which was traded through on Monday. The market traded through that level on Monday, which is 1.26139. Then our next level was 1.25964, which was traded through as well on Monday. So those two levels has been taken due to what we are seeing in the market. So which happens to be, those levels happens to be south side area here. They clear out the sell side liquidity around those area. So thus that the market does not give us 1.25041, which happens to be the next target here. So the market just a little before it gets there. So the market has not given us. So the market has unfinished business here. So the coming week, let's see if the market will be interested in coming down here or taking out this high. But personally, I support being bearish. So this low and this low will be the next target for me. Let me clone this. The low comes in at 1.25180 here, 1.25180. So let me get my coordinates right. 1.25180. 1.25180. So the market has to travel. The market has to travel through this level again. 1.26139, then 1.25964, then revisiting this low, then this low, which is 1.25180. Then our last but not the least target at 1.25041. So those are the levels I'll be watching. So we're watching those levels, but still yet the market could decide. Let me use this. I'll be pleased to see the market blow through those highs, because those highs have buy side liquidity. So buy side rest above those levels. buy side rest above that level. So if the market could tip into that level, then drop. I'm still bearish. Also, NAS 100. Our level has been met. Our level has been met. Go back. So the previous level we were talking about was 1 point. Sorry, 17689.42. 17689.42, and it was delivered beautifully. So that takes us to the eye, to the next eye, because since the market is trading all-time high, there is no need for me to pick the top and the bottom. So the next eye we'll be looking at is 17997. 17997.94. The next level we'll be working towards will be 17997.94. Let me get the coordinates right. 997.94. So that will be the next low hanging fruit the coming week. Then let's say S&P 500. S&P 500. The level we were watching on S&P 500 was 4975.29. It was traded through, and the market gave us a new high. The market gave us what? A new high, which we have to walk towards. So the high of this candle comes in at 5030.06. 5030.06. Okay, let me get the coordinate as well. 5030.06. So that will be next level we're working towards. Then US 30, the same thing. I think I even had some trade on this. And I think I posted the shots on this YouTube channel. So the level we were looking for on Dow was 38 3878.4.51, which was taken beautifully. It was taken, then we were given another high here. We were given another high. Come back here. Okay, let me get the coordinate there. The high. The next target will be 388.94.17. That will be the target. But we will be entering the trade on retracements. So we will enter the trade on retracement on smaller time frame. Then we approach that level. 94. week. So let me see on the daily charts. So that level is very easy to attack because we have that block. So it's just a low hanging fruit. So we work with what the market gives us. Then a quick one on dollar and gold because this video is becoming too lengthy, which I don't like. Now, last week we talked about the market visiting what level and what level. We were interested in the market getting to 2018 590, 2009.445, then 2001.058. On Monday we got 2018.590 smashed on Monday. Then the market went into reversal. So as I've said earlier, let's see what the news have for us. But we are still holding to those premise. We are still holding to those premise. We are holding to those premise. You can see the market, the level we targeted was the previous week's low, which was 2018.590. So it was taking beautifully there. So that gives us another weekly low to work with, which is 2014.960. So 2014.960 will be the next aim. 2014.960 will be the next level we'll be working towards. We'll be gravitating towards. We'll be eyeing. We'll be eyeing those levels. We'll be eyeing 2014.960. Then it will take us through our previous 2018 590 or so. Then 2009 445 and so on. So we are expecting the market to gravitate those levels in our coming week. So I think that will be the all for today as well because I'm not that feeling too well. So once again, thank you to everybody. Thank you to every one of our subscribers. Please do well by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Share it, add your friends, add your family to the channel, to the Facebook page where we can learn more about the markets. I think we've not had we've not had a level being called that has not been reached since. So it's not a magic, it's just all about knowledge. And another thing is that I'm not a financial advisor. So everything's being said on this channel does not translate to trade signal to anybody. So trade and own your risk yourself. So thank you once again. We love you and we keep integrity with you guys. Do us good by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day, a lovely trading week ahead. Good luck and good trading. Bye for now.